Did you know Asia's logistics industry is now the world's largest, valued at a staggering $4.4 trillion? This booming sector is fueled by the region's expanding e-commerce and manufacturing, making it ripe for innovation and investment. From high-demand warehousing in Japan to cold chain logistics in Vietnam and tech-driven efficiencies in Indonesia, each country offers unique opportunities for growth. With e-commerce expected to drive over half of logistics growth by 2025, Asia's infrastructure is racing to keep pace. But it's not without challenges. Fragmented markets, regulatory hurdles, and rising costs mean that success depends on smart strategies and local insights. For international businesses, it's crucial to match strengths with regional needs. And with the right approach, Asia's logistics landscape presents immense potential. Are you ready to navigate Asia's logistics opportunities?